Hi everyone. Today in this video I'll try to show you how you can create your first animation. For example, I have here one character prepared. So the control rig that we created in a previous video, I just relocated to another character. And if we drag drop this control rig, it will be automatically appear some sequence. This sequence was added in the content at the first. You can see this name. You can just simple rename it, not forget where is it. For example, we can try it. This is for test one, and then we can little bit relocate it in our folder AI1 animation. So now it's here. So if we close it, we can automatically open it in our folder. If you don't see here control rig, we can just select here our control rig any space and it will be automatically appeared. Your first animation will be not so difficult to create. You can just, for example, make the idle state. We have here some frames and here the key. So it will be better to enable. The first thing that you need to change, this is the time. If we set here the time and will be moved our hand, it should automatically appear some location. Where is it? This control rig was changed. At the first time, we will select for all add in UK for current time. So it will be saved all location of all your control rig in this time. And if we select the next frame and for example will be moved this hand up and press, and you don't need to press because we move only one thing. But I'll show you why it's important to say all of that. And if you can see, our hand is moved. We can change the first key for the idle state, just a little bit move the hand, just a bit rotate it. Make it a little bit sit and our shoulder. We have, for example, our first idle state, idle animation. And we remember that in second frame, we change our hand. And if we move it, you see our hand is up. Okay, we'll remove it. Just simple one thing and it's okay. Now, for example, we have this idle animation and we can move it and make the copy, for example, for frame. And in the first frame, we can just little bit move character forward, head up, to hand down. That our character can be more stay alive. And in the second one, little bit in left, the knee a little bit left. And now if you will be move, so it's the frame in the frame, you need just change the pose. And in Unreal Engine, between this frame will be added the middle point, middle value that you want to see. For example, we can watch how it's look like. If we will be connect and press play, it will be repaired and it's not so smooth. But we want to test how it's work and why. We can just in a playback option, playback speed change to 0, 1. Then we can see our character how moved. For example, it's okay and we want to save this animation. We select our link, right mouse button, create anim sequence. Then we need to select the folder where we want to save it. We have for this one one animation pose. We can select the name and press OK. Export animation. Now if we open it, we can see our a few frame and idle animation. And we can just in play rate select the same 0, 1. Then we will be see this is our speed, or just remove it to 0, 0, 1. Then it will be very slow move our character in idle state. It's the same, you can just make it in animation blueprint. For example, if I have here one animation blueprint, I go in anim graph, and for example, we will have here some animation. In the play rate, we can change it to 0, 0, 1, and it will be okay for you. That's why we don't need to create a lot of frame animation. You can just make a few one and it will be okay. But if you want, for example, increase it, you want, I don't know for which reason. We have here slow animation and we have here record. We can play and record and select where we want to use it. New animation. Okay. And it will be played and saved all this time of idle. Then we stop it, and if we open our another animation, it's a new one that was created. We have all this frame for the all long time with rate scale 1. This is the easy way how you can create the animation and add the changes. So the most thing, it's only for the few frame add some changes. Select the pose that you want to use. And then just simple use the skills that you know that I'll show you. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.